Spinal. Welcome to this video. We're going to do knocking on the door of life. So feet just a little bit wider than shoulder width apart. Just twisting, tapping your kidneys, water energy. You want the water up. You want a cool head. Fire down, fire in your dandruff. So focus on that cool energy, water energy coming up from your kidneys into your brainstem. Comes up the back. Fire energy comes down the front, down into your lower dandruff. Cool head, your brain works better. Warm abdomen, your immune system works better. So just keep tapping, knocking on the door of life. And we'll do 30 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax your shoulders. 7, 8, 9, 20. Keep those shoulders down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 30. Then with your thumb and your index finger just tapping up and down your kidneys and your adrenals. Doesn't have to be too hard, but feel it. Feel it. I'm going to try and get that water energy coming up your back. And then gently rubbing your back, rubbing your kidneys, so the water comes up, fire goes down. You're rubbing the kidneys. Okay, come down. We're going to do some spinal cord breathing now. Bring your elbows together. And then breathe in, arch backwards, look up to the ceiling, squeeze your shoulder blades in and breathe out. Breathing in and breathe out. 2. Breathe in. 3. Breathe in. 4. Breathe in. 5. Breathe in. 6. Breathe in. 7. Breathe in. 8. Breathe in. 9. Breathe in. 10. Now to the right. Breathe in. To the left. Breathe in. To the right. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. And quite quickly with this one. Nice deep breaths into your lower abdomen. Okay, 2 more. To carry on with the water theme, take a deep breath in, squeeze your shoulder blades up, bring your hands as far back as you can, looking up at the ceiling, and then breathing out. Watch your hands go back down, breathing in, breathing out. 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 Okay, shake the shoulders out. A quick shake. One last quick exercise. We'll do a meridian stretch for the kidneys. So bring your feet 45 degrees. Try and keep your heels together. Push your wrists, back of your wrists into your kidneys. Come up onto your toes. Push the heels of the palms backwards and upwards. So you've got that shape. Try and focus on staying steady. You will wobble a bit, but keep pushing the palms upwards. And when you do this regularly, see if you can feel that cool energy coming up into your brainstem. Nice deep breaths into your lower abdomen. And nice, long, slow, steady breaths out. Remember, you're getting toxins out of the body when you breathe out. Keep pushing those heels up. Keep pushing the heels of the palm back and up. And then slowly returning. You can hold that for a bit longer if you want to. Take a deep breath in, clearing. Pull that hot energy out of the head into your lower dandruff. Breathing in, breathing out. We want to flip the pyramid, make the pyramid the right way around. Strong base, light top. Beautiful. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. We say Kamsahamnida, be well and keep shining.